Okay, let's get right into the video. So today I'm doing an update video to my how to build credit video. Now when I started this video I was at 718 credit. And now I'm at 729. As you can see from the line graph, I have went from 676 to 729 in a matter of a year in a matter of like almost a year. I was able to build my credit by 3 easy steps. Number one, I paid all my payments on time. Two, I obtained more credit by obtaining other credit cards to increase my credit limit every month. Three, I reported things I'm making payments on. Like for example, I use RentTrack to report how much rent I'm paying every month. Now, let me show you the benefits of using the Discovery card, because that was part of my last video. As you can see, my credit line on this card is 2,600, which I was able to get that by making my payments on time and asking for an increase. And as you can see, if you look at my cashback bonus, I have $155.75. With Discovery, they match you with how much cashback you obtain in a year on your first card. So I was able to get $75 just by using a Discovery card to pay for my purchases. And as you can see, I got $155 just for using this card. Not me doing anything extra, just me just using my card. And I can use that for gift cards to pay for my balance, or I can use it just to put it in my bank account. Now, another thing I want to talk about for if you are a college student, which is this video is really targeted towards, you get a reward just for having good grades. As you can see, I've already used it. You get a $20 statement just for using your, you get a $20 statement just for reporting that your GPA is a 3.0 or higher. That's just $20 just off the rip. And also, if you use my code, I'll put a link in the description, and I might leave it in the comment section. That if you use my code, you get a $50 statement as well. You get one, and I'll get one. So just off of using a Discovery card, you can get almost $70 worth of statement credit. And also, with making payments, it's very easy. You can either set up automatic payments, or you can pay it. You can pay it all off whenever you feel like it. You can have your account set up to where it pays your statement balance every single month on time. That way you never have to worry about you not making a payment on time. Now, let me repeat what I said again. I was able to build my credit. I made all my payments on time. I obtained more credit to increase my credit every month. And three, I used RentTrack to report how much money I was paying towards my rent. Now, if you have any questions, leave them in the comment section. I'll try to get to them. If you feel like you learned something, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Wait for my newest content to come out. Thank you.